How to use AI in your week, a simple workflow for beginners. Ever feel like AI tools are cool, but you have no idea how to actually use them in your everyday life? You've probably tried a few tools like ChatGPT or Canva's Magic Design, but without a plan, they become novelty apps you forget about. The real power of AI comes from turning these tools into everyday habits. In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly weekly AI workflow using 5 tools that just work. No coding, no overwhelm, just real productivity. Start your week with ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant and thought partner. On Sunday or Monday, ask it to help you outline your goals, organize your schedule, or reframe a challenge you're facing. It helps reduce mental clutter and gets your week started with clarity. Try this prompt. Help me plan my week based on these priorities. Finish a report, schedule workouts, prep for a presentation. Next, move to Canva's Magic Design. Pick one of your top goals, like sharing a new idea, and turn it into something visual. Whether it's a graphic for social media, a thumbnail for a presentation, or a motivational quote, Canva makes it easy. This gives your plan visibility and makes progress feel real. Now that you've planned and visualized something, it's time to organize. That's where Notion AI comes in. Use it to capture notes, sort ideas, and keep your digital workspace clean. You can summarize long notes, brainstorm content, or even get outlines generated for you. One useful prompt. Summarize these meeting notes and generate next steps with deadlines. For midweek inspiration, try DALL-E. If you're stuck or just need a creative push, open the tool and describe a scene, idea, or metaphor. You'll get a unique image in seconds. It's not just fun, it's also a way to bring abstract ideas to life. For example, if you're working on a pitch and want something visually compelling, prompt DALL-E with something like a futuristic workspace surrounded by floating ideas. Now, let's talk about Leonardo.Ai. This is your Friday unwind or creative playtime. Spend 10 to 15 minutes exploring image creation, UI mockups, or even generating characters. You might discover new visual metaphors for your brand or content ideas for the next week. You don't need to use all 5 tools every single day. The key is to establish a weekly rhythm, plan with ChatGPT, visualize with Canva, organize with Notion, recharge creativity with DALL-E, and play with Leonardo.AI. That's one new AI habit for each weekday. These tools are free or low cost and take just minutes per session. Together, they help you stay organized, communicate clearly, and stay inspired without needing to master complicated tech. Next up, I'll show you how to go from tool user to tool builder by combining these into your own personalized AI stack. Subscribe if you want to build AI fluency step by step. This is HumanOS. Adapt smarter.